Hey guys, so in this video we are going to start with our Venn diagram in three variables. Okay, so let us take an example on the Venn diagram using three variables. So let's say there are three sorts of people, one who play cricket, some who play football, and some who play tennis. Okay, and they are going to come under a universal set. Okay, in which there will be some people who are going to play none of these three games which are represented by n. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to label each and every column with a variable. Okay, so let's say this one is a, this one is b, this one is c, then we have d, we have e, and we have f, and we have g. Okay, and there is a universal set. Okay, now what we are going to do is, now there are few things which you should know. The total number of people are going to be represented by a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f plus g, and plus n is equal to total. Okay, few definitions. When we are talking about a, sorry, not a, we have taken it as cricket. When we are talking about people who play cricket, we will be adding a plus e plus d plus g. When we are talking about people playing football, we will be adding b plus e plus g plus f. When we are talking about people who play tennis, we will be adding the people c plus d plus g plus f. Okay, now when we are talking about, let's write it here, exactly one. Okay, exactly one game, we will be adding a plus a plus b plus c. Okay, when we will be talking about exactly two games, okay, exactly two games, we will be adding d plus e plus f. And when we will be talking about exactly three games, we will be taking g. When we will be talking about none of these, we will be taking n. Okay, now some other few definitions. So when we are talking about at least one set, okay, when we are talking about at least one set, now I have told you that least means the number which has been given and everything above that. Okay, so we will be adding, when we are talking about at least one set, we will be adding all of them excluding the one which has which represents none of the games. Okay, so we will be adding all, that is a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f plus g. We won't be adding n because it represents zero people. Okay, they will play none of the games. Okay, so at least one game, when we are talking about, we will be adding playing one game, playing two games, and playing three games. We will be adding all of them. Okay, similarly, when we will be talking about at least two games, we will be adding people who play two games, that is d, e, and f. Okay, and we will be adding the people who are playing three games, that is g, because we are talking about at least two. That means people who are playing two games as well as people who are playing three games. Okay, similarly, let's move ahead. Let's talk about at most. Okay, so let's say it is said that at most one game. So at most one game is given by people who are playing zero games plus people who are playing one games. So at most one game will be given by a plus b plus c, that is people who are playing one game, plus n, people who are playing none of the games. Okay, when we are talking about at most two games, okay, at most two games, we will be talking about people who are playing zero games, one games, and two games. So that means we will add a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f and plus n. Okay, so I hope now you are very much clear with the meaning of least, at least, and at most. Okay, so now let's move further. Now there are a few more points which we need to know. Now if we are going to talk about people who play cricket and football, okay, people who play cricket and football, so let's write it here. If it is said that cricket and football, we would be adding cricket and football, it will be E plus G. Okay, cricket and football, because see, you can see it here that these are the people who are playing cricket also and football also. They are in both of them. This whole, let's write, sorry guys. Okay, let's take another color and let's represent it. So we are talking about these people. Okay, we are talking about these people. These people are going to play both cricket and football. So whenever we will talk about both cricket and football, we will be representing both these columns. Okay, similarly, when we will be talking about cricket and badminton, cricket and tennis, let's say, then we will be adding d plus g. Okay, because see, cricket and tennis, so we have to take two people in these two, and in these two which are common. So the common is the part which is D and G. So these two parts are common in this. So we will be adding those. Similarly, you must have understood for football and tennis, we will be taking F plus G. Okay. So this is it. Acha, if it says that you have to consider the people who are playing only cricket and football, when you are talking about only cricket and football, you will not include, see, in G part, in every pair of two, when we took G part, it included the third game also. Okay, but we took that because it was said that we are talking about cricket and football. So as I said in the video for variable two variables, as I said for coffee, both people who drink both tea and coffee will also be included in coffee. Similarly, when I'm talking about cricket and football, I will include every place where both cricket and football is there, both are together. Okay, so in ENG there are people who play both cricket and football, so we were adding ENG. But now when we are talking about only cricket and football, then we will not include the part where cricket, football and tennis are there. So in this part, what we will do is we will only add E. Okay, we will only add E. Similarly, if we are talking about only cricket and football, okay, sorry, only tennis and football, then we will not be adding G, because G includes cricket also. So in only tennis and football, we will be taking case of only F. Similarly, only cricket and tennis, we will take the case in which only D is there. We will not take G, because in G, football is also included. So this is how you go about it. So I hope you have understood the meaning of all of these, guys. So if this is clear, then we can move towards the questions. So let's start with some questions. Thank you.